2024, so your
Yes.
daughter is already 17 years.
Yes, he complete 17 years. He don't complete 17 years, 2024. 18
What?
years.
Okay, that 2024, that's a complete 18.
Yes. But when senator sleep with her na 17 years.
Where's not to 17 years?
Yes.
It could be 18.
Yes.
Wait to when I got to go hospital for that 2024 to confirm her.
July.
When be your daughter birthday to make her 18 years?
May.
Okay. When you come finally know senator, what did you not do? Did you call the police?
When I know senator, because you know say even if I call police, without that DNA, if he deny. So now make we say he go do that DNA. So when he do the DNA, he confirm say na him. Before that DNA, senator don't confirm say na him since. Even when my daughter get Belle, me no know. But senator go dey block her and she no know say
I understand you perfectly. The first time when Senator Dwan with am was inside the bush.
yes.
After that day, Senator Congo they had the Dwan again.
Senator say na once in do am.
Okay.
That is when my daughter don't get Belle. People know for our city, but me, I don't know.
Why?
I don't know say she get Belle.
Why,
But
mama?
senator, go block her. Go they ask her. Say you get Belle. Senator even tell me say he don't ask her. Say he say she not get Belle. So now me go tell senator say you go do the DNA. So confirm say no, you don't want to do. Now say you go do am. So when you do that DNA, take confirm her. Now me can go meet lawyer. Take that DNA. Take go meet lawyer. Then me I take go donation round. So when it happen, DJ even senator talk am with him mouth. He talk am with him mouth say na inside motor he for sleep with my pikin say him drink. Then DJ Chris now they narrate marker they go. Say na marker na I give my pikin Belle. Say he sleep with me, he sleep with my pikin. Which nothing like that. Because I know if you say because of hatred, I come with a point who not do something. So not be marker not sleep. Now senator, now take advantage.
Okay.
Okay, even now, me go tell senator say, as the DNA don't come out, senator come they beg me. Now say, I don't feel you forgive you like that. You're going to submit yourself to authority. Tell them say see what you do. He say if he can't go jail, whether me go like her, that's okay. If I go jail, then you put my pikin at this age, you put her for this motherhood. You like her? He say make me forgive her. And okay, he accept say na the pikin. He don't accept say na his own. The pikin they talk so senator no even know the pikin for eye. If me not carry her or the person where common put her for his hand say make it they take off the pikin. When me they work, my pikin they go school. Make it they look her. If two of us don't carry, senator no know the pikin. Ever since now, senator, you come out for social media, go tell the world say na you, not be marker. He say no go fit come out. Okay, DJ Chris now know the truth, say na senator, but yet you see the drag marker.
Now listen to me, madam.
And they hear you, sir.
That senator number you will give me right now.
No problem.
Yeah, I dey come for you as the mother, they come for you. But first give me the senator number first. Make I call am.
No problem. I go send her for you now. Okay.
You see one
So why
thing,
they look like that?
you see some people for this life, I don't know where for jam the person that I don't forget the person we do that video. He said if you picking this 16 years, he said that they can't the book club. I don't forget to do that video, but a woman.
Yeah, mommy, me and I know the person. I'll tell you later.
As I see,
Me and mommy, not I did the live video that day.
as I see that video, I can't smile. Me go jam my picking, go enjoy for club.
What about the commenter?
Me, you don't give. Ebony, lioness. When Ebony do that video, I laugh. I say, me, I don't feed one. God forbid. I'll drive my picking, I'll drive my attack club. If you don't enjoy for me, she will come back. I say, I don't feed one. Train up a child in the way he should grow. And when he grow, he will not depart from it. But you see some parents, they'll spoil their children. The mistake where we make for us, how will you allow your own child that you gave birth to a year to make such a mistake? That's a mistake. A very silly one at that. My daughter must complete 18 before they're virgin. You don't know me, oh. They God give us long life. My daughters must complete 18 before they're virgin. Not 16. Not 15. Obviously, I got the judge for 15. Because that girl will sleep with this girl. You don't already get cool say all this virgin. That make her run her.
Papa, sorry to say, you know, say you asked the mom one question. Mama, sorry. It's like your 17-year-old daughter dating is a normal thing for you. Because you said something, now with a mate, it did one.
No.
As in, I mate, not do.
I know they are aware.
Yeah, oh.
Now only the boy mama they are aware say that they date. I know they are aware.
Yeah, wait.
Mama, you are not Epa, wait, not vet, Baba.
Yeah,
Mama, you're not there aware for anything.
I want you ask her questions for the
I say I know they are aware. If
a lot of things they when I need to still ask the woman. Madam, you talk what you just now say. He thought they done with the age grade. On the day when your daughter is virgin, do you know?
no, I don't know.
Why you thought they know say that they done with the maid before?
Now when he points that place when Belle don't come, when he points her, now I say no.
Wait, oh. Your own female daughter that is grown, that is of age, lives with you at home, and do not know that she is already sleeping with a man. Is that what you want to tell me?
I know fit come swear say I know. I don't know.
No. Madam, for here, would they ask question? Well,
Yes.
this person number will give me, so you do WhatsApp.
Yes, he did WhatsApp.
You are telling me now, to all my fans that are watching this live stream, that your daughter not this virgin and you not know until una go hospital 2024 go confirm and say she don't taking before you can't even know say your daughter not this virgin.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. You don't answer that one. Wait to before my PA go they ask you wait first. Senator. You sure say na senator give your pikin belle?
No say the name way did that this one I sent for you. Senator na just guys name, but now you ask her.
So now you know they take responsibility of the pikin. Now boy have been again.
Now girl.
But you know say you are supposed to donate this guy.
We don't do her now. We don't do her. Even the Italian party, the Italian birthday where she go, they even ask of the man name. We don't do her.
Wait. Senator, if you do not call me, I will call you now, Senator, and you're not picking my calls. In the next 5 minutes, you not pick this call, I'll post your picture here. And I will beat you black and blue. You get a girlfriend picture.
No. I don't get her. No.
You go look for a girlfriend picture for me. You will be the mama.
Okay, I go find her.
You will be the mama. If you're not being careful, I go saga you join her. as at the first, so because I get girls' children. You have to provide the girlfriend and the entire family of senator. You have to provide it right now. Not be let senator. The entire family of senator must be provided immediately because you dey look this matter like a normal thing that can happen to your daughter.
I don't look at normal thing because
Are you a single mother?
Yes.
No.
Now I make them as even the Edo people for year. Now I make them look and say nobody where he go ask them. Now I make DJ Chris come out begin to talk with him. You don't know one, you don't know two.
Where your baby father? Where is him?
Now Nigeria dey. Yeah, Nigeria for not be here she dey, not be here for born. Nigeria.
How many children do you have?
Now two I get.
2 girls or
2 girls, yeah.
okay, but not be the second one, not be the man you born her for.
No. If I now I'm planting Nigeria, now Nigeria for born her.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Mama clapping now, must not Mama clap will send everything.
We're clapping. Clap.
Mama clapping.
Make she come up.
Clapping.
Senator, no say na me. Senator no want people call again.
Okay, we are set.
Senator, yeah. Hello. Now me Enogi for Germany. Yes, how you doing, my brother? Yeah. I got a report from what be your daughter name, madam?
My name is Happy Joy.
I got a report from Madam Happy Joy. Say you sleep with her daughter 2024.
23.
Sorry, 2023. When that child was still 17 years of age. I can't say okay, no problem. When she don't explain the whole side of the story to me, I can't say make you give me your WhatsApp number, make I still hear your own side of the story. Because according to what the woman tell me say you say you drink. That's why you sleep with the 17 years old girl. Because okay, no problem. Only from one person mouth they judge for this life. Make I still hear your own side of the story. I hear you. I know they too they hear you well. Bless where you did not too clear. But they hear you now. Yeah. Hello. Who? Fasoro. Which person be that one? For what to do? Okay, now you be senator. I know you that time for Otubu. I know you that time. You know if you talk now. Oh, okay. Like when I will fit call you back.
You come around 7:30.
7 in the evening.
7:30.
Okay, no problem. I know you. I don't know you. Now, as I even know you now, go even make me beat you well. But they like to beat people who come from my area well. Because some of them too blow lie. So they go climb people platform, but they laugh on my head. So that's why I feel good. I know say that one a sad guy anyway. But you now. I want to do my mind. Make I let my sister, Mrs. Unstoppable, Stella talk first.
I bet they go. I never get your time. May you also talk with her because you're my time.
Now me, I go saga you at our house. You dey hear me? I never even call your time now. Because my husband well me. I think you don't stop saga. Now me want to do you. No worry.
But what's a guy you make anyway?
Me, I offer leave you for one corner because this matter really draw my attention.
Okay.
My God, no verse. Before I talk with them, my mind. They get with one question when I want to ask you. You say I said my real account I take one, not do fake account come. This man when you can't defend now for social media and say no be this man now give your daughter Belle. You say that they talk, they go say this man they do with you, they do with your daughter. This man are your man, now your husband or now your boyfriend. This one where they lie against.
Not be my husband, not be my boyfriend. Now Percy husband, now Percy papa.
Now we go, Mrs. Unstoppable. Mo felt let this woman talk finish because she never really talk finish just now. I shut her down, say I need the boy number. More patient, make she talk finish before you go ask her what you ask.
Okay, she fair finish. Okay.
Yes, madam, just finish everything first.
Okay.
So that no blast say they short you because the blast say the questions. What can they make you? They just talk finish. Be free. Be
So
free.
when I tell when you go discover, carry and go, you can't beg. When he beg, he say make you forgive her. Not I not be forgive you like that. So after that one, now tell us say make on social media, can't talk. He say no, they talk. So he come on now. When they come for Africa shop, go they use and walk. And say na 8 people, now I sleep with my pikin. Now 8 people, now I do DNA. So, and DJ Chris no say, not be marker. So, he knows say that senator, he want talk, he said they swab the DNA result. He said they swab am, where senator for go do DNA. He said they sleep with me. So, now make me now I can't go bring a juju paper come for her. Make it come swear, where marker for the sleep with me, sleep with my pikin, give her Belle. And they say they do not they work for store. So now me can go bring paper come for and make it come swear. The man whether they accuse so say now give my pikin Belle. Now his wife, now social worker sign contract with make it they take off the pikin for 1 year. Now he take carry the pikin. Social worker contract of what? Wait till they carry the pikin day. So DJ Chris wife now come they bully the woman. Come they talk and they go say your husband give small pikin Belle, your wife they take care of her.
Madam, happy joy, happy. I take all else now.
I hear you.
Who be Maka?
Maka now get Africa shop. Now his wife now they take off the pikin. Now social workers
Okay, wait. If I understand you perfectly now, the issue where they go on right now about that senator giving your daughter pregnancy and stuff like that.
Yes.
Not even got to do with what make you cry out. What make you cry out now because Maka accuse you. And
no. DJ Chris. They accuse me.
Maka.
Say Maka they sleep with my pikin. Say now he get the pikin.
Let make you now come go bring juju paper come.
No, yes, now make him give us make him come swear. But what it make me cry out, say, make they bring a senator picture come and say, see person where he do this, the way he do unto me. Senator now just they live freely for this city because you know say if you go donation and now, not be say maybe no, they will just bring the paper come for them. So if they live freely now, he don't even care, say whether the pikin they exist, even till now, even cause say how the pikin they live now, how it say they nothing. But he only just say they say he accept say na he pikin. What he mean say me he can't do. Okay, you accept. Till now, you don't know whether the pikin even they wear pampers now, whether if they wear clothes, whether if they go school now. The pikin they go school. And at this moment, I'll still go drop her for school. I'll still go carry her for 4:30. So now that will make me cry out. Make the enemy call senator. Make they post the picture. Make people know say yes, see person where they do one. But for this my city now, they know the truth. All of them they cover, but all the Edo, you know, all of them they cover senator. They don't want to make the truth come and say a senator.
May I call DJ Chris? May I say I get DJ Chris now? More than they show me love, oh, no cap, no rose. This is not encouraging. Well, show me love. Mother, is that true?
Yes, I don't true, sir.
All right. And Lady Stella, Nota.
You know, she don't answer the first one. Madam, sorry to say, me will still dey talk to you. I'm a mother of 17 years old daughter right now. You get that? What
Yes.
I want to tell you, you fail as a mother. Listen, I not accuse you. I don't want to accuse you, but I want to tell you the area where you for fail. Not be Nigeria with day where you need proof before you go meet lawyer. Now Italy now where law they work. As that boy confessed to you, sorry to use that word, say you fail as a mother, no verse. Two things now you talk. You say you don't know, say your pikin get belle. Madam, you are a mother for crying loud. You don't know, say your pikin get belle. I bet wait, make I finish. I'll let you talk. You don't know, say your pikin get belle. And another thing where you still say you know, you say the city know. Everybody know for the city. But you, as a mother, you not know, say pikin wey dey with you for house get belle. Madam, you fail as a mother. Sorry, I'm a mother like you. But another thing I want tell you, as your pikin not tells you, you say your pikin he sleep with your pikin. That yes, I pray. I don't remember. Then you come to talk another thing again where you really make me provoke as a mother. Then I come know say the belle the other na August or so before your pikin come born September. Madam, you too fail your daughter. And you call this what they call a signature, I don't know. He can't confess to you. You can't say for Italy, madam, 20 years I spent for Italy. You can't say for Italy where you dey. Say you want hold DNA before you go meet lawyer. Abba, who does that? Now Nigeria we dey. Even Nigeria not feel happen like this. Not to talk of Europe. You supposed to you not even need lawyer. Immediately you know say your daughter best is sleep with her as you can't know. The first thing we're supposed to do that to go to carabinieri. You not even need any DNA. You don't need anything to go meet lawyer first. Now carabinieri go give you lawyer for this case. You know with the case where we they talk so minus charge, you never reach 18. Even me, when still there 40 something years, if woman sleep with me when I don't want, is a crime not to talk on 17 years speaking. Una they keep person for this social media. It gets a sad story where will I go they talk. Me go they ask myself, who be all these people? Now human be they talk, so I be now who? You not go meet carabinieri. Make carabinieri, they go even give you lawyer. The case go talk to even not be even you. It go talk to government case. You say somebody confess to you for phone, say now he sleep with your daughter, he drink, and you sit down in your heart, comfortable. The way you take the fight now to clean innocent person name, if you fight for your whole daughter like that, this case will not reach like this. That senator, whatever you call it, if now if you don't dey prison till now, in case then he fight, they never will open now. Now you rock with them, madam.
The proof day.
Wait, madam, wait. You not go meet carabinieri, you they wait for DNA. Now you call the drop us DNA. Do you know that according to law, you have no right to tell someone to go and do DNA? It's court that will order that person. You go meet carabinieri, carabinieri will take it from there. He will give you free of charge lawyer. We go fight this case. And they go force that man to go and do DNA. Why you be inside? You say you they fight for your daughter. Madam, this case, if you not bring her come out, you know why? You will can't use your own hand to carry the disgrace. Because this case, they vex me as a mother of 17 years old child. You they hear me? It they vex me. You not try, madam. You not try for one, you not try for two. You fed this your daughter 100%.
My in-law, Mudiane, my in-law. Madam, I want to ask you another question again, not vex. Because we just felt they give you your own now before that boy will come back from work.
Epa, wait.
You come again if they can't do this thing, but
Epa, wait. Epa, you never understand something. Epa, wait. Mama.
I hear you.
Okay. Mama, but you don't give the pregnancy to another person now where the boy they pay your pikin every month.
No.
Before they come go do
no.
The boy
You don't get person where he pay every month. You don't get person when he pay.
Because according to what we dey hear now, you don't give the pregnancy to another guy where the guy called they take care of the pikin before.
He not take care of her. He not take care of the pikin.
But mama, I don't give the pregnancy to another person before. Mama, listen. They don't give the according to what they hear now. They don't give the pregnancy to another boy before. Now after DNA, Because she not be the boy get her before una come start to the polo. This one una the polo so.
How many people do DNA? I don't hear this story. They say people do
mama.
DNA was online. The deadline where do DNA. Not be first time when they hear the story, madam. Just say the truth. Like you by yourself, come here.
Now only 2 people now do DNA. Senator make
people
am
do DNA when DJ the senator confess to you say na he do one. Why 2 people can't do
before senator why she not talk say na senator? Because I don't feel can't go the line when he tell me say na this person. So now that one mama now request for DNA. Because I felt talk and say I don't know say if they date that boy. Now the boy mama they aware. Me I not they aware. But when they call me for school say she the only they speak English. So now I take call this boy mama say cause that boy seen you come. Now I take call this boy mama say your pikin they call my pikin sometimes. I beg make you know they call her for school if they call her. I beg make it stay clear for my pikin. Now school you can't go for year. If mama can say my pikin no they come in house. I don't know say if they go there.
Mama, you not just there aware of anything at all.
Auntie, see, if I dey aware, they know me. If I dey aware, I no go even support my pikin. What it be that? I not be person will be say if they from one place to another. No, I dey work. I not say maybe na ma now they take off me on this one. No, maybe that make I foresee all those things. No, I dey work.
I want to ask you one question. You said in July last year, now you know.
Yes.
And you sleep with your daughter 2023.
2024.
Sorry, you sleep with your daughter 2024. You can't know for July.
No, you sleep with her 2023, November 26. Now they go this thing for birthday.
You can't know for July.
July 9, he can't cover because when she come for Nigeria, knows all those visits now, you can't do every visit. So for Nigeria, so that they would tell me say sometimes 3 days, 3 months, 4 months, I period not go come. When I reach, I can't explain, give doctor. So when we do all tests, now doctor come to say, now because say na underage, say now so it they be. Say sometimes 4 months, make I not fear. Say it they be like that. Now their age. He say now their age. Say it they be like that. So sometimes 4 months, I period not go come. They go come for the 5th month. Maybe say maybe she get Belle. So now so the 5th they come.
That
so
doctor they colo.
when the results, when I go do test, do everything. You tell me
Now
say
PCOS, now they mostly the whole period like that, even if not 12 years. That now PCOS, mama, the doctor they colo. Maybe
So-
I won't do more digging.
so now make her where be say I not quick confirm. Now look, if you even see even when they talk some people go even meet me say see what's in here. Me with the picking go the waka. They go say not with the picking that they see so, but you don't get Belle now. What they want mothers where be say if they see me they'll say see what they hear. I'll say not be should be this one. They go look at they'll say even na some at that time. Not be say that they get Jack and make and be say you not go know. They will say not be that they see so. She don't get Belle now.
How old was your daughter when you bring her come from Nigeria?
14. You never complete 14.
When you bring her come,
Yeah.
which integration you give her, like school or anything?
She dey go school.
She go school.
Till now, she say they go school.
How she can't mingle with black people from your community? How you can't mingle? Like you not can go give Oyibo Belle or Oyibo not can sleep with her. No, just okay, man, young girl, make them go now. Oyibo life. How you can't use your daughter play gamble to the extent?
No, that senator so they do Tazi, Nigeria Tazi. Now Tazi they call her for.
How many people do DNA before they come to in a senator get your daughter? Because
Now
people
one
dey give
person, that small boy so. Now one person, that small boy, when I they talk so, that one seen you come.
Okay.
So no other person do what they say now 8, now 10. I don't know where did the Chris for see that one.
Why that small people if go do DNA, not verse?
Epa, they say that they go court.
Wait, you know. Why there was that small Oyibo fe go do DNA before senator?
No be Oyibo.
And
You
black
know, say na one person too.
Yes.
Why 2 person like the complex now 2 person do DNA before they come find out saying I'm one person, I get picking. Why was it like that? Madam.
Now that one. He said, when me ask us, okay, why you not fair talk? Say, as a senator, he said, senator, threaten her. Even when she get Belle, when she not know, say, senator, don't block her. Come ask her. Senator, say, tell her, say, not be, and nobody go believe her. So, in with that one, according to her, he saying with that one, the date. That one, mama no say, my daughter, they come my house. I don't know.
Okay, wait to madam. Another thing I want to ask you be saying. You get good relationship with your daughter. You dey ask her questions on
Yes. Yes.
You dey ask your daughter question on a norm.
I dey ask her.
Mama, your daughter has special need.
No.
So why should not coffee open up to you say, see what happen to her for outside? Love this. I want to ask you on that question. When you bring your daughter come from Nigeria,
Yes.
when she was about 14 or so, you don't ask her that time she don't this virgin.
He say never this virgin.
Okay, he say
because I know I live and come here. So I ask him, he say never this virgin.
Did you go to do you go and do test to confirm if she never this virgin?
No, I don't do.
Papa Nora, beg, I fit talk something. This woman, you they use this matter till they tire herself. Trust me. We get word when you talk your mother. You say the senator can't block your daughter. And Papa Nora ask you, say, I say they me go with blacks. You say na Tazi, he just go carry on. Now person call her for your daughter. How come?
Now my daughter come, I not say na person. This senator so.
Call her for your daughter. The first time when you dey judge, you say as they go, that motor come, we break.
Now Italian person, now they do the the papa they do the birthday.
Yes, you say
now the Italian person come carry my daughter for house. Okay. So when they go, I can't break down. So now
you know the truth. As you felt us say you know get Belle, madam. Now you tell you the truth.
But they won't start to contribute.
That senator already they date your daughter.
But they won't start to contribute.
Nobody rape your daughter. Nobody force your daughter.
Not bring anyone.
Nobody force your daughter sleep with her. The way this story, me they see this story now. Your daughter already there with that man. Because there's no way.
Where would they talk? So he gets girlfriend where he want marry for. When he want marry, he get girlfriend for house.
Where get wife for his house, not they get woman. Now by that one, this man already nobody force your daughter. If you like, take it or not. Nobody force your daughter. As you say, you don't know, say your daughter get Belle. And I say you don't still know, say your daughter don't the nash. You understand me? Now make me tell you, say you fair as a mother. Daughter wait there with you for his house. Nobody force your daughter. Now your daughter just give her. They already did before, like you don't know. As a mother, you not force your daughter carry go bush. This one are Europe. When I know the top story, when not the apple for Africa again. When I call they say go apple for Europe.
I don't carry the accused person. I don't carry say na false. Even the senator open mouth talking by himself. The senator open mouth talking by himself.
You get the audio. You get the audio.
No, I don't record down.
Madam,
story.
You are supposed to record that guy from the beginning when you notice that he's not the
forget, not the stress yourself. Whether record or not, now Europe we did. As far as that man don't tell you for phone, say now you sleep with your daughter. First, you go to Carabinieri. If you not get document, they go Carabinieri, they'll still fight for her. Not to talk a full carry document, we carry picky come for a job. We joking. We are talking about 70 years picky here, not 20-something years. Who will they deceive? Nobody forced that girl. That girl already the nash. That is it.
Mama, stop it, bro.
When I just seen, I be
Mama, not verse.
Fuck up, I beg.
Mama, not verse. There's still a possibility that the guy still force him.
He made that guy drink, but me they
Mama, there's still a possibility.
When he drink, they do Tazi.
Mama, now one side for the look and so.
Now how to for command?
Mama, now one side for the look and so. There's still a very big possibility. Mommy, yo, sometimes it not be the way you think on life. Sometimes
yes, listen,
not be the way you.
With this man, they don't forget something in common.
No, this Mama, if you talk this one,
Mama,
this
the man, the guy, according to them, they said the guy talking
to
one
my house.
house.
No possibility, my sister.
Mama, there is a
You know,
possibility.
senator don't get any quarrel. Me with senator don't get it. Senator, come this kitchen from my house.
Not be you. I not to say you and senator get any quarrel. Not be you. Where me they fight you for now? Now when you no fit stand for your daughter as a mother, now then me and you get problem so. Because
according to
when
us,
you
you go
parade
police
this
now.
innocent person, call social media now say they bring a picture come out. Make the not be innocent person, sorry. The person where he do according to you. Make the
No, she they
fight
try to clear another person name, Mama. It's like Mama not understand the
yes,
story.
I understand. Oh, me I explain to you what she talk.
No, me go explain to you, Mama.
Okay. She thought say she come out to come defend innocent person where they did.
I don't say I can't defend. I say waiting. I can make a bit the senator. Picture come and say, see person when he do this thing to me.
So that made them not be accused the innocent person again. So that made them not be accused the innocent person again. Not what you talk since.
I said the person senator when he do the thing in the waka freely, even the audio don't you know where they here. No say that senator do this thing, but then they cover everything. They don't want to make everything come out. Say na
you said the OCT no.
But the attacking on her is too much, please.
Senator.
Madam, I go help you. I'm not lying. I'll help you, but you get fault where
she get fault, yeah.
You get fault. I'll help you, but you get fault. You get big fault. Because the word when you talk about from man just not say, you don't know say your pikin dog is virgin alone. I beg you with the name of God, not go talking like that for court. If not, they'll carry that pikin from you, eh? Pikin within your custody, you don't know when you take this virgin. What are you saying as a mother?
If na year I for born now, that one different. Now Nigeria for come.
And that's why I tell you just now, say,
I live for Nigeria when it's small.
When you ask her for her, when you bring her, say, you don't this virgin for her, they say, Mommy, no. You go suffer, carry and go hospital. Go confirm. It might be that she don't already they do this thing before she even enter jams. That was why she lock up when he go make love to that guy. Because not be new to her again because they do it for us. If now picky with they touch any eye, go tell mama.
Epa.
Are you now? You don't take drastic action for this particular thing. You don't. At first, you are saying if they do it with age grade. When I come ask you questions more to know, you say, hey, you don't know, but the mother of the boy know. But
right from time, I see that even most of them know for this city say, I don't know see they go that house.
Only what me want tell you be say, we go patient to go get, make that boy come for work. If he come for work, he go climb. Before we bring the picture come out. Honestly, I will still post the guy's picture on here.
I trust you.
I go kill that senator head.
Now so senator they talk say, if you know fit talk. Now you know what you know what make him climb. You know what make they know say na him. Because if they talk say, if they walk.
Epa, Epa, I feel yours put small contribution.
You go climb, he wasn't that climb.
First of all, I want to talk something. Raising a child take the grace of God. Majority of people they say that I in mama no go knows. Many body attack me. Many in mama no go know say 17 years old is virgin. How many people their parents know say adult is virgin? In a scale of 100, we'll say 20%. You understand? The mother failed woefully. Sorry to use that word, mama. But I know still to blame you because pikin, not guy you go cover pikin rich. If you want spoil, go see spoil. And there's a possibility that senator threatened that pikin. See Fatou Oyibo case. This pastor Fatou Oyibo case. Epa make me understand. Say that they 20 years old say not talk. You understand me, so Epa? Then they 20 years old pikin say not talk. He not go really talk. You understand me, so? And for the fact say the mama cost be person not the gbawo go talk. You dey hear for outside say now so your pikin get belle. But you as a mother that is living, you not carry instantly go do and test. You see say the person talker, you see say Mona look and she be like who get belle. That was where you failed as a mother. You were supposed to carry that child. If you even hear rumor at all, you carry that pikin, you go do and test. And as you confirm say belle day, you know they find DNA for any other person who go come outside tomorrow say I was waiting for DNA. No. As you confirm or you suspect, you they go police straight, now free for abroad. Rape case, you don't even need I don't want to call the name again, made them not restrict us. You don't even need lawyer. Because they drag the matter go from by themselves. So me believe say there's a possibility that guy threatened her and Tina, she can't really keep quiet. Maybe you are not a friend to your daughter, because if you be party to your daughter, I go feel some mommy, this person say me I not tell you this to, but see what you do to me. And for the fact that she was already enjoying herself, is not normal for her. Say my occupy and secret for my mama. May I not talk her.
The thing is sweet her because she's young.
You understand? So it already did normal for her. That was why she couldn't confide in you as a mother. Every mother that has female children out there, make sure say first of all, your daughter and your friend. Even if say you they ask for that pikin, after anything, bless you told you that this tell me, man, you don't need to let her know say I go do one thing. Now I all know that the person a better person. Anything they make the person toast you. I'm always saying it. When I complete soccer age, my mother carry me sit down and say, if you get boyfriend, tell me or just point the boy. Fear not let me get the boyfriend because me no say my mom if you go beat that person. So man, I only thought say where you for wrong, where you failed woefully, because me they use woefully because you really fail. Where? You fail where? I know there is no guide or no particular pattern of raising a child.
Yeah, so you know where I for
Who they call me now? Mona not call me.
I for believe
Where,
that
mommy, I they call mommy, not verse mommy. So, mama, the truth is just that the fact when I don't get the rightful person, yes, and you want to try to clear another person's face, say, see who do this thing. If una know or suspect, say one man they don't want it or una picking we're not supposed to do, even if say that picking at 22 years, report it to the police, and you would not need any money to back it up. If you even need lawyer now just to speed the case, but government they carry all those kind of cases for head. Mostly when that thing happen when she did 17 years, they'll fair give you government lawyer first. Better one will not be all those are do wrong. They'll fair give you.
Papa,
So
no,
Mona beg, Mona not to
for-
bash the woman because I feel her pain. For her to get the courage to take come outside there, call talk, say, see, Mona not to bash her, Mona beg.
Papa, no,
If
I
una
know
want
that
correct
for
her, correct her with a
believe
little bit of love. Una cause tell her where she for wrong some more.
You know where I for believe that threatening. I just realized one thing now because say maybe they carry the girl come from Nigeria as she told. She said she carry and come. You know, say that kind threatening of 18, they work for children for Nigeria.
Yes.
Children. Now there I can still reason and maybe because say that pikin already get that mentality of Nigeria. Say if they threaten you for Nigeria, you need to obey. Not be pikin when they go for Europe. Why you go threaten? So if you talk, I will kill. Oh God, I think.
My
And that's
beautiful
why I just reason now. Now I understand why she
Good afternoon. May we sit.
The place where senator sleep with my daughter. We find a come out. We give lawyer. Even the senator talk and say once for inside motor. Not be say maybe as he can't say in the daytime. No. Now one senator tell me say only once he say now he sleep with her. And the address my daughter find her for Google. He bring her come up. We give lawyer. We give lawyer where for doing. So senator say na drink eye. He can't even beg me say na drink eye. He take doing. Say not be clear eye. So let me say maybe
if this case strong, well, court go fault you. Court go fault you.
Bring that boy picture. Make the boy come here. May we ask her as he take do am. You understand why? Because you know your do person, you leave the pikin there. Make they take off the boy for you, the baby for you. So what did the boy do? The boy wrong. I know say mother not they follow their pikin waka. I know they follow a pikin go school. Not they follow a pikin go out. So some children then if they ask the question, they go they shout for their mama. So wetin me want talk? Make that boy come. Make come talk as he take do gagara. May we know. So God bless you all. Bye.
Exactly, because the boy never come now. Now matter not go get weight. Exactly. Now when the boy come, he can explain to us. That's a day we can't know how we go take do one. Because the guy need to come. Now let the mother how we do already see now.
Epa.
They bring people up.
Okay.
Just a contribution for now. No insult, please.
Nora, thank you. Make I dey go.
Let's see.
Ciao.
Let's see, Lady Stella. Let's see.
So your topic
Let's
is
see.
coming this evening, 6 o'clock.
Yes.
Ibu wedding. Wami. God knows.
Me you saga o. Me say you
Ube, what is la waverio? On my phone.
me.
Congratulations, eh?
Eh,
About I fit talk now. I think say that other woman. All right. Well, good afternoon. That woman, although the woman made a mistake, you understand. But wait, I want to talk. Is it too late? Because I don't live in Italy. Is it too late for that woman to go in? Because I don't see similar cases whereby even papa go even sleep with pikin after years, even though say the pikin don't even marry, come born, they'll come still bring the case come out. The papa go still go for it because the thing just dey vex me. We are not even talking of for me the pikin where they born for the thing, not even the vex me. Now the rape or sorry to now the thing that one they vex me for his side. So for a man like that to sleep with 70 years old, that one don't already break record. Like it don't already break the heart of people. You understand? So even the mama, if you want even like fight, you can fight for that man to penetrate on your daughter. You understand? So now that penetration will come lead to that child. Now that one go even make people really stand for una. You understand? Because that man need to go in for it. For even though say I just like one woman wait us maybe she don't start for Nigeria. Even though say don't start for Nigeria, we adult even safe. Sometimes if we adult, I don't even situation whereby if woman not even agree for your husband, make your husband go inside, and your husband firstly go inside, you can sue your husband for that. Let alone pikin, even though so it don't start. I never even reach age where they start. I know of one footballer for a year, a very big footballer, where even carry guess. The guy even lied to that footballer saying be 18 years, but later the confidence saying 16 years. And when the footballer they touch the guy for his side motto, the guy tell us say 18 years, but the confidence say 19 years. But this footballer now 5 years they give him for a year.
Thank you, ma.
You understand? So it's
Thank
never
you.
too late for that man not to go in.
Thank you. PROE, over to you. Okay. Mrs. Sandy, over to you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Mama don't even throw small thing one before even talk. Yeah, no need to throw mat to the mom. So now for the mother to carry her daughter sit down, make she try. If it never too late for the side where they dey for them, make she see what she go fit do for her daughter. You understand? Because it be like say her daughter. Now you see children sometimes depend on how you take close to them, especially when they don't grow up together. The pikin not grow for where the woman dey. If you bring your pikin come abroad, that communication, this thing they had well before the pikin of fit come fit they follow you, they talk. So it's very vital as a mother or as a father. If your pikin dey in Nigeria, you carry am come, try build that friendship because una don disconnect long time ago. Try build friendship because you know it's a new environment that pikin dey so. Because I've seen a lot of our parents for here, once they bring pikin come abroad, the one they do the pikin anyhow, knowing fully well say that pikin not grow with them. Is that in a very big thing? You understand? So as parents, may we try. Now that one again, one I won't talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lauren, Mona use the word grape. Mona not they use.
I'll bring another person up again because from the day I never talk.
Okay, it's okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Our dear mother, sorry, I really feel for you, because go predict with all these children. And then again, people in your community know that you brought this child from Africa. So they try, take advantage of her. And bros called this man just now. And that one just they make me very say in they work. No, you have already been called. That work you go take excuse because he go don't get information say he matter dey online. He get
Lauren,
wife for house.
Lauren,
He has to take because only God know what that girl has passed through now.
Let's not be faster than our shadow. He already they send me voice notes. He might not even be at peace again right now. But let's be patient for him to close. You understand? May we hear from him first before we know what to do. Okay?
All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
No need. I don't already they put time for my head. If that time expire, I will go down straight up. So thank you so much.
You can drop me now. Thank you.
Big Sandy now talk. Big money talk.
Okay, well, good afternoon. I'll make
Afternoon.
my contribution. May we not much blame that woman because we will bring children come from Africa. Yeah, go there. You know the correct at all. The way they do their things, you know, fit talk to them. Maybe they talk to them because me, I will bring my son come from Africa. If you dey talk to them, whether they hear you, they use their wetin dey their mind, and I feel they dey waka waka. Yeah, let na piam 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 piam. Then you never even go for your life. We take on this country. They don't go all of them. People will be surprised. Say, can you manage your journey? How come? When you know, when you go, you still not go anywhere. But when I go check it back, I see ticket after. When you know I go, you don't reach there. They will not about blame the woman because the thing they very touch well well. Touch me because not the only she did the category. The spirit of my praying God give her the strength. My own. Thank you.
All right. For now, we'll be patient. We'll